Welcome to this quick start video tutorial on the DataSift platform. The tutorial walks you through creating a filter to provide a real-time stream of social interactions relating to the Starbucks brand. Open datasift.com dashboard in a web browser and log into your account. DataSift is a single platform with access to a large number of social media data sources. You need to enable one or more data sources before writing a filter. In this example, we will enable Twitter. Click the Data Sources tab to see all possible sources. Notice the sources are currently inactive. Locate the Twitter source and click Activate. When the form is complete, click on Agree. When a summary of the source is displayed, click on the Data Sources tab again. Now I have activated the Twitter source, I'll check which augmentations are already enabled. Augmentations enrich the interaction and are added by the DataSift platform to give context to the message. You may need to sign a license for some of these. I'll select Free Sources, and augmentations are displayed with a purple tag. Clout Score is a measure of the author's online influence and is already activated. Gender, interaction, and language detection are also activated. Let's search for sentiment and check if it is enabled. Sentiment is the measure of positive or negative sentiment in the content or title of the interaction. I'll activate it. Now the data source is enabled, you can create a filter. Let's select the Streams tab. And click the Create Stream button. Give your new filter a name. I'll call mine Starbucks. You can also add a description. There are two choices of editor, the Query Builder or CSDL code editor. Query Builder is a browser-based tool that allows you to create and edit filters without learning the DataSift curated stream definition language, CSDL. I'm going to use Query Builder. I'll select it and click Start Editing. Query Builder opens with no filters. Click Create New Filter. The top row displays sources. Select the Twitter icon to use the Twitter source. The next row of choices opens with lots of Twitter information types. To filter on the message of a tweet, click the tweet icon. Now we can type in a word to filter for. I'm going to use the word Starbucks. It's not case sensitive. I'll leave the operator as contains words. This will match every tweet which has the word Starbucks anywhere in the tweet message. When you're finished, click Save and Preview to save this condition. This is a very simple filter, so I'll add more filter conditions to filter on some of the extra information DataSift adds to interactions. To add another condition, click Create New Filter. The Clout Score is an augmentation. I'll select Augmentations and select Clout. and score. The score ranges from 0 to 100. We'll look for anything over 40. Make sure the greater than operator is selected. And that's all for this condition, so click Save and Preview. Now we have 2 filter conditions. Let's add a third. Click Create New Filter again. This time we'll create a condition based on the sentiment of the interactions, looking for positive comments. Select the augmentation source and select Salience. We can look for sentiment in the content or title. Select Content for this example. And click Sentiment. The scale is from -100 to +100. Although it's rare to see sentiment at these extremes of the scale. We want any level of positivity, so select a value which is at least 1. And click Save and Preview. Now we have 3 filter conditions, we need to define how they work together. Notice the options above the filters have become available. We can select all of the following, which means we get interactions if it matches all 3 filter conditions. Or select any of the following, which means we see the interaction if any one of the 3 filter conditions are matched. It is also possible to configure more complex logic with the Advanced button. In this example, we want all filter conditions to be matched. This Starbucks stream contains a filter which matches positive sentiment tweets with Starbucks in the tweet text, from authors with a clout score greater than 40. Click Save and Close. A summary of the configured stream is shown along with the cost in data processing unit hours. The next step is to preview the stream of interactions matched by the filter conditions. Click the Live Preview button. In the summary of sources, check that Twitter is listed. And click the Play button, and we'll see who's talking about Starbucks on Twitter. Within a couple of seconds, interactions will start appearing. Now we have some interactions, I'll pause the stream. Check the augmentation icons below each message. You'll see each one has a clout score of 40 or greater, and the smiley shows they are comments with a positive sentiment. For more detailed information, mouse over the tweet and click the bug which appears. The debug window shows the tweet data and all the extra augmented data provided by the DataSift platform. Well done! You're looking at a stream of interactions which match a filter you configured with 3 logical conditions. Keep playing with Query Builder. See how specific you can be about the interactions you receive. Maybe write filters for your brand or product.